Hello. Today we're going to learn about an interactive platform. It is called Quizizz. So here I have a presentation about this platform. Quizizz engaging English learners in the digital age. We are going to explore how Quizizz can transform our English classrooms, discover how this tool boosts engagement and enhances learning outcomes. Learn design strategies and real-world examples. Enhance language skills through gamified quizzes. First, we're going to see what is Quizizz. It is a platform that helps educators to create and share quizzes, polls, and surveys. Why use it? Interactive learning. This digital tool offers interactive quizzes and lessons. Students can participate using any device. Gamify experience. Engage students with points, leaderboards, and fun themes. These learning are going to see like a game. It makes learning enjoyable. Customizable content. Teachers can create or adapt quizzes to suit lesson plans. They can tailor content to students' needs and interests. Benefits of using quizzes in English classrooms. Number 1, engagement and motivation. Interactive and game-like elements keep students motivated, and they are going to pay more attention to the class. Students enjoy the competitive aspect, leading to better participation. Number 2, personalized learning. As teacher, we can adjust difficulty levels based on students' needs. Our students can work at their own pace when participating in asynchronous sessions. Number 3, instant feedback. Both formative and summative assessment can be given in real time. This instant feedback helps students address misunderstanding on the spot. Number 4, easy to use. No complex setup needed, and students can easily join using any device. Accessible on multiple devices. They can use phones, tablets, or computers. Interactive grammar practice. When we are learning a different language, we are going to practice or improve these grammar structures using quizzes, like sentence structure. Design quizzes on subject-verb agreement and clauses. Reinforce grammatical rules. Tense usage. Practice past, present, future tenses with quizzes. Improve accuracy and fluency. Punctuation rules. Test knowledge of commas, semicolons, and apostrophes. And students are going to enhance their writing skills. Improving or enhancing reading comprehension. Passage-based questions. We can create quizzes based on provided reading passages. Assess understanding of key topics or themes. Inference skills. Develop questions that require students to infer meanings. and promote critical thinking skills among students. Summarization. Ask students to summarize main ideas from the text. Improve comprehension abilities. Designing effective, engaging English language quizzes. Clear objectives. We need to define learning outcomes before creating a quiz, and it must to be aligned to the lesson goals. Varied questions types. We have to incorporate different types of questions, like multiple choice, fill in the blanks, and polls. Offer diverse challenges. Engaging content. Use relatable scenarios and real-world examples according to the realities of students. Keep students interested and motivated in the topic. Formative and summative assessment. Formative use. As teacher, we are going to use for quick checks during the class or lessons. And after, we are going to identify the areas that the students need to improve. In the summative lessons or assessments, we are going to create enough unit tests to measure overall understanding, track student progress over time, and data-driven insights. Analyze reports to inform future teaching strategies. Adapt lessons based on students' performance. Real-time feedback assessment. As we said before, after students finish these quizzes, we are going to have instant results and see students' performs. Detailed reports. We have access to comprehensive reports after each session. Adaptive teaching. We are going to adapt lessons based on real-time data insights. Integrating quizzes with existing curriculum and platforms. Curriculum alignment. Integrate activities that we use in this platform with the lesson plans. Platform compatibility. This platform works with Google Classroom, Canva, Genially, and more. Data-driven insights. As we said before, we're going to adapt the content based on a student's need or performance. Tips for effective use of quizzes in our classroom. Vary questions types. Include different types of questions. We have a great variety of questions like multiple choice, open-ended questions. We have to join, order the sentences to access different skills. Incorporated time challenges. Use timers to keep students focused and encourage quick thinking, especially for grammar drills. Use for both in class and homework. Leverage quizzes for both real-time in class evaluation. And we can use as homework assignments for extra practice to internalize knowledge. Here we have Quizizz success stories. It has improved engagement. Students are more engaged and motivated to learn different kinds of subjects. Fun learning. Learning becomes enjoyable and less stressful because they are going to play, and in this way, they are going to learn. Better outcomes. Overall, student performance has significantly improved. And here we have the bibliography of this presentation. Now we are going to see how to use quizzes. So we need to enter to Google. And here we are going to write Quizizz. And here we have the first option. So here you have, if you already have an accountant, you are going to click here, or you are going to sign up here. You can continue with Google or other email. And you're going here to write your password. But I already have with this account. And here we can see the Quizizz platform. We have different activities of different subjects. If you want math, science, or in our case, English. Assessments, lessons, interactive videos, and passages. This is used for improved reading. And we're going to choose for you. And here I'm going to write the theme that I want. For example, I want simple present, simple past, prepositional place. And here you can see different kinds of quizzes. The first one is for first to third grade, and it has 10 questions. This is to first to fifth grade. It has 18 questions. You can choose different options. And we're going to choose the first one. Here you can see the type of questions. Choose. If you want this and you don't want edit any questions, you are going to preview. So the first question is here. The second. And we can click here, start now, and we're going to see how to use these quizzes. Or we can try it as a student. So we have to choose one. We're going to start. Here you can assign to a class the name. The participants or the students that are going to be in these quizzes is unlimited, or 1, 2, 3, depending on your class. And we're going to start and see how it works. Start. Here is the code that you have to send to the students, or you can choose this QR. And here we have the message waiting for participants. So I'm going to be a participant using my cell phone, and we can see how it works. We are going to see on the screen the name of the students that it is in the game. So here we have one participant, and we are going to start. The students is reading the answer and choosing one of these. We can see the name of the student and also the score. And here we can see the questions. Now we are almost in the middle of the game. I'm playing with the cell phone. This means that I have a mistake on an answer. And we finish the game. So we hear the first students in the first position, the second and the third. And we had in what questions these students have problems. So in the question number 4. And here we can have an instant feedback of the students. And we can practice or review the questions or replay. If you don't want to use these kinds of evaluations, you can create a new one. You can choose an assessment, lesson, interactive video, passage, flashcards to improve vocabulary. We can use this interactive video. We can choose of YouTube, upload any video, or search Quizizz library. For example, here we are going to watch this movie or this video, and after we have 10 questions. So we are going to choose this one. And after we have a multiple choice questions related to the video. We can choose passages in where students have to read and after they have to answer the questions. But unfortunately, we need to the premium. So we need to pay. This is the premium version. So we can use this, but we have these interactive videos, we have this lesson and assessment. So if you want to use this platform, you can use Quizizz because the learning will be funny, enjoyable, and students will love this platform. Thank you for your attention.